Hey, what's up AMP coin holder? This is very important update for all AMP, and sorry to say this is very danger for everyone. Please try to understand, this is very risky, but kindly holder, if you watch this video, so I will give you guarantee to you will get earn money and very high profit in this month. Remember my brothers to sell 12,700 people are subscribed this channel because they are all earn money in a crypto with AVS6 channel. So if you have a plan to earn money in a crypto with AVS6 channel, just and only click the subscribe button and press the bell icon for videos notification. My friends, AMP will get a profit. You can see in last 7 days, my friends, especially in last 2 days, my friends, will get very good profit. But in last 7 days, as you can see here, my friend, minus 6.12% they are lost now. I invest, my friends. First of all, I will clearly tell you to. I invest 2 days ago, my friends, and AMP, and absolutely I have a plan to I invest in 2 days ago. So what's the plan, my friends? First of all, my friends, when I see the start of month to AMP will move upward, so I'm very shocked to how is it possible to in the start of month this coin will move upward, because my friend, because in those days, absolutely, especially in the start of month, every coin will dumps down. So how is it possible? So I found this one reason, my friends, to especially in last previous month, last days, my friends, this coin will fails down. So therefore, after a fails, every coin will pumps up. So therefore, I know, my friends, I understand to after a huge jump this coin will fails down. And absolutely, you can see, my friend, I just wait for this jump. So when I see, my friend, this jump, absolutely I decide to after this jump they will also take a very good pump. So I invest, and absolutely today I am so happy now. So if you also want to invest in those days, I think it's a very good time. Invest now in AMP. I hope to at the end of month they will give you a very good profit. So please don't miss this chance. Take a risk and get a profit. Allah Hafiz. Take care. See you next time.